How do you train for like a specialized skill set? I have somehow train people to review tax returns really well.
Everything that you do is a skill that you learned. And so we have these larger bucketed terms like influence, charisma, attention to detail. These are just large bucketed terms that really just mean many smaller behaviors that we describe with one series of words. If I say be charismatic, you can't do anything with that. But if I say smile when people walk in the room, say their name, nod when people are talking, increase the tone of your voice at the beginning of your sentences, you give more individual things that someone can immediately do from an activity perspective. If you have this very specialized skill, it just means that there's many small skills that are included within it. When you analyze your own behavior, which is the first step of this, which is you document what you do, then you hand it to somebody else. I do it, I document it, I watch my recording to make sure I have a full documentation. Somebody else watches me do it. Now I watch them do it with my checklist, then they can do it on their own. You want to train, when you're training anyone, is adherence to a process. The first thing you have to do is teach them how to learn, which is you need to be able to follow these steps. And if they don't work, that's on me, not you. And so they get completely absolved of responsibility if they follow the process. If you don't follow the process and you win, you're still wrong. And if they happen to do something that's better, great, change the process.